Hi, I'm Jim Dodson. I'm a personal injury lawyer. My office is in Clearwater, but we represent clients across Florida. We get calls frequently from people that are curious about some type of a crash or collision they've been involved in. They're reporting an injury and they're curious about the whole claims process. How does it work? When a client walks into our office, there's a number of stages that every case will go through in order that it be adequately worked up and every aspect of it covered at the time that it's finally settled. Lawyers are going to initially gather the information. They're going to request coverage from the insurance companies involved, going to gather all of the medical records from every medical provider that the person's treated with, and typically even those providers they might have seen for 5 or even years longer before the crash. And we're going to monitor someone's treatment to make sure they're seeing their doctor regularly, they're being treated for what the issues are, and that their treatment is on course to get a resolution of their symptoms. In other words, are they making progress and recovering, hopefully? The simple reality is that everyone doesn't recover from a crash. Many times people will have a partial recovery, but they might not be the same person, may have effects or may need surgery even years down the road. So it's important that this be fully known before we can start looking at a crash and trying to put a value on someone's injury. We need to have the complete medical records. We need an opinion from the treating physicians about what the future holds. Will the person be restricted? Are they limited in their activities? Will they need future treatment? Does that include any type of surgery? And if it does, some idea what that might cost. So this is a brief overview, but those are sort of the stages: gathering information, monitoring treatment, getting the final medical records and the opinion of the doctor, and then preparing our settlement demand brochure, which takes all of these things into account after a long conversation or meeting with our client to understand every way that an injury has affected their life, and then putting a value range on that injury in order to propose a settlement to the defense attorney or to the opposing adjuster.